All right, for this week, we'll be looking at triangles. So take a minute, pause the video, and follow these instructions, but basically make three different triangles of varying size. Make sure when you're doing this, you're using a straight edge and make them big enough that you can measure the angles with a protractor. So, make one triangle that might look like something like this, or something like this, something like this. Three different sizes and shapes. Okay, so once you've done that and measured all the angles, what you might notice, for one, is the angle. I guess I should have had you label them on the triangle as well, so you should label the sides and the angles with their measures. The angle that's the largest, so this is the largest angle, is opposite the side that's also the largest. The smallest angle, so here, this is the smallest angle, is opposite the smallest side. And the middle angle, whatever that may be, is opposite the middle length. Here's your vocabulary for triangles. So you can pause and get this all written down. Looking at these triangles, so we've got an equilateral triangle, which means all three sides are equal to each other and all three angles are equal at 60 degrees. An isosceles triangle means all of the angles, looks pretty similar, all of the angles are less than 90 degrees. Or that's an acute triangle, sorry. Isosceles is where two of the sides are equal, which means two of the angles are also equal to each other, and then the third side is different. A or an obtuse triangle means one angle is greater than 90 degrees, and then our last one is an acute triangle, or a right triangle, which means one angle is exactly 90 degrees. So a couple of things about triangle that we need to know. The three angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. Doesn't matter what triangle you have. Even like a super skinny one, all of those angles will always add up to 180 degrees. The other thing to know is the two smaller sides must add up to being larger than the longest side. If you had measured out 3 inches and 4 inches, and then 7 inches, so you got a triangle that was 3, 4, and 7. Well, these two sides here, if this is 3 and this is 4, will be the same length, 7. And so there's no point, there's no bend to it, so that wouldn't make a triangle. So the 3 and the 4 have to be bigger than that third side.